Alright guys, welcome to Scarlett Natalia Toys Review. This is the Santa Claus Parade in the city of Toronto. We've got an old police car here. Let's see, we've got a bunch of police cars here. Let's see over here. We've got this Toronto Police Accident Squad. We've got that one right there. Old Toronto Police cars. Let's see this one here. Let's see if it's going to make its siren go off. Look at this. It's the Metro Toronto police car. Let's see, is it going to make a sound? Look at this. Look at that. Alright guys, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys in the next video. Look at that, there's some mailboxes. Canada Post mailboxes. Alright guys, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video.
Whoa guys.